Good afternoon, dear children. Hope you are staying safe. Today we are going to discuss the second chapter, Work, Power and Energy. Work, Power and Energy. And now we are going to study the topic work. Okay, in our daily life we claim that we are doing work while reading, writing, playing, eating, etc. But in physics, work is said to be done only when an object moves under the influence of a force. Only when an object moves. When an object moves under the influence of a force, then work is said to be done. When an object moves under the influence of a force, work is said to be done. That is, an applied force makes the object to move. When an applied force makes the object to move, work is said to be done. That is, if there is displacement of the object, work is said to be done. If there is displacement of the object, work is said to be done. If there is no displacement, no work is done, or that is said to be zero work done. Okay, so work is said to be done when an object moves under the influence of a force. That is, if there is no displacement of the body, even when a force acts on it, the work done is said to be zero. And if there is displacement, the work done is said to be positive, or there is work done. For example, what happens if you are trying to lift your school bag? What happens? You can easily lift it. That is, here you applied a force and the object is your school bag, it moves. So work is said to be done. On the other hand, what happens if you tries to push a wall? It does not move. Actually, you applied a force on the wall more than that you applied in the earlier case for lifting the bag. But the wall does not move. So no work is said to be done. Why? There is no displacement of the wall. So if there is no displacement, no work is done. If there is displacement of the object, work is said to be done. So work is said to be done only when the force applied on a body makes the body move. That is, there is displacement of the body, work is said to be done. Consider another example. Imagine that this is an object. This is your object. If you are applying a force on this object, and this is the direction of the force, you are applying force is in this direction. This is the direction of applied force. And due to the application of this force, this object moves. This is the initial position of the object. And now, due to the application of the force, object moves to this position. This is the final position of the object. This is the initial position and this is a final position. That means there is a displacement. Final position minus initial position, displacement as here. We apply a force F in this direction, and due to the application of the force, this object moves towards this position. So work is said to be done because there is displacement of the body or displacement of the object. Here we can write the expression as W is equal to F into S. That is, the amount of work done on a body depends on two factors. First one, the magnitude of the force, and second one, the displacement produced by the force. So work done is equal to force into displacement. Consider here the case is that the force is in this direction and the displacement also is in the same direction. That is, displacement is in the direction of force, then we can use this expression in order to find work done. Work is equal to force into displacement. And in this expression, if displacement is 0, that is F into S is a displacement. If S is 0, work done is said to be 0. That's a case of pushing a wall. Here displacement is 0, so work done is said to be 0. And It is not necessary that the force always causes displacement of the body in the same direction of force. Here, force and displacement are in the same direction. This is the direction of applied force and this is the direction of displacement. So it is not necessary that force and displacement are always in the same direction. Sometimes or in under some circumstances, a force displaces the body in a direction other than the direction of force. Okay, in that case, we can use the expression as W is equal to F into S into cos theta. W is equal to F into S into cos theta. Here, F is the magnitude of the force, S is the magnitude of displacement, and cos theta, it is a cosine of angle theta between the direction of force and displacement. Theta, cosine of angle theta is in between the direction of force and displacement. For example, if we applied a force F, this is the object, and if we applied a force in this direction, then the component of displacement is taken in this direction, and the angle theta is the angle between the direction of force and the component of displacement. So that is cos theta. Okay, so expression for work done in the case where force displaces a body in a direction other than the direction of force, we can use this expression W is equal to F into S into cos theta. And if the force displaces the body in the direction of force, we can use this expression W is equal to F into S. Okay, and we know work done is a scalar quantity. Work is a scalar quantity, and SI unit of work is joule. Joule is a SI unit of work done. Joule is a SI unit of work done. Capital J is a symbol. So work is said to be done only when the applied force makes the object to move. An object moves. When an object moves under the influence of a force, work is said to be done. Or if there is displacement of the object, work is said to be done. If there is no displacement, no work is said to be done. That is in the case of pushing a wall, or if a child tries to push a heavy stone, he is unable to push the stone or unable to move it. There is no displacement. Work is scientifically said to be 0. When a horse, while pulling a cart, horse applied the force and cart is the object, cart moves. So there is work done. Or a coolie lifting a load. Under the application of force by coolie, the load moves. So work is said to be done. And the amount of work done on a body depends on two factors. First one is the magnitude of force, and second one is displacement. That is W is equal to F into S. W is equal to F into S. In this case, force and displacement are in the same direction. And if W is equal to S is equal to 0, if there is no displacement, work done is said to be 0. And in some cases, the direction of force and the direction of displacement are not the same, or a force displaces the body in a direction other than the direction of force. In that case, we can write the expression of work done as W is equal to Fs cos theta, where F is the magnitude of the force, S is the magnitude of displacement, and cos theta is a cosine of the angle theta between the direction of force and displacement S. And work done is a scalar quantity and its SI unit is joule. So remember that in physics, work is said to be done only when a body moves under the influence of a force. If there is no displacement of the body, then there is no work done. Okay, thank you.